Welcome everyone to Yoshi's Island Adventures, episode 19. I'm watching this cartoon just like Baby Red Yoshi. Let me skip some parts. I don't really like this one. Yes. Yes, the crane is down. They're gonna get out of here?
That's it. Everything is shut down except for emergency power. Let's get back to the elevator.
Let's go, let's go!
Oh no! Oh no! It's coming! Oh no!
The robots are coming.
There's our
They're
ride
getting
out
on
of
the
here!
train.
Yeah, let's go somewhere.
Just watch the movie.
Uncle Chuck, what's up? Uncle Chuck? Oh, man! It's all right, Sonny.
Just watch the movie.
That's the important thing. We've got to get you back to Knothole. Warp 7. It's too late, Sonny. Uncle Chuck? No way am I leaving you here.
Sonic, he's turned back.
You gotta come with me.
Sonic!
Uncle Chuck! Come on, Sugar Hog! Uncle Chuck!
Sonic, we have to leave him.
I should have saved him.
Y'all did what you could, honey. We couldn't bring him back. He's loyal to Robotnik.
We'll get him back another day, Sonic. Promise.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go buy some planes. We all got $1,000 million to buy those planes.
What?
Let's go to the...
Why is it okay?
We're gonna buy some planes to run on the lights. Oh, there's a lot of planes to buy.
Yeah.
Welcome to the plane dealership. What can I get for you? We'll bring them back here. We're just gonna keep them for 2 days, and then we're gonna bring them back. Okay, guys? Alright, we want to buy an airplane.
We want to buy an airplane.
Yay!
I'm
Like
gonna
I
get
s-
this.
That'll be 100 coins, please.
Yes?
200 coins is your change. Have a great day. I'll take this one. That'll be 2,000 gold, please. There you go, sir.
My plane name is Rip.
0 coins is your change.
My
And have a
plane
great day.
name is Rip Sleener.
Rib Slinger?
Yes. Hey guys! What's the planes?
We got some planes. We got 2 planes that are really cool. Now we have 2,000 million coins. That's a lot of money. Let's keep watching the video.
What?
And look what we did with Uncle Chuck. We totaled that crystal. So
I don't have
magnifique.
planes in it.
You know, I was able to copy some of the roboticizer software. One day, we'll be able to change Uncle Chuck back. Permanently.
Along with all of our families. Hang in, Uncle Chuck. We'll be back.
Wow, that's a great movie. Now let's go take a ride on our airplanes, brand new airplanes.
Tomorrow we'll be back.
Yes. That was a great trip, guys, and we'll see you on the next episode. Bye.